To fix the Bosch Cooktop error ER42, it is essential to understand the meaning, causes, and solutions. The ER42 error code indicates a malfunction in the cooktop's ignition system. This error can be caused by a faulty ignition electrode, a clogged burner cap, or a malfunctioning igniter. First, ensure the cooktop is turned off and cool to the touch before attempting any repairs. Next, inspect the burner cap and igniter for any blockages or debris. Clean the burner cap and igniter with a soft brush or cloth to remove any food residue or spills. If the error persists, check the ignition electrode for any signs of wear or damage. If the electrode is damaged, it may need to be replaced. Contact a professional or authorized Bosch service provider for assistance with replacement. In some cases, the ER42 error can be resolved by resetting the cooktop. To reset, turn the cooktop off and unplug it from the power source. Wait for 30 seconds and then plug it back in and turn it on. If the error code remains, it is recommended to contact a professional for further assistance. To prevent future occurrences of the ER42 error, regular maintenance is crucial. Clean the cooktop and burners regularly, and ensure the igniter and burner caps are free from debris. By following these steps and best practices, you can resolve the ER42 error and ensure your Bosch cooktop operates safely and efficiently.